What if you could make a narcissist panic without ever raising your voice? Most people don't realize this, but narcissists are terrified of being exposed. Their entire game is built on one thing, secrecy. The moment you understand how their tactics work and calmly shine a light on them, their mask slips and fear sets in. Take gaslighting, for example. Imagine a narcissistic partner who constantly denies reality. You remember them insulting you at dinner, but when you bring it up, they say, "I never said that. You are too sensitive." At first, you might doubt yourself, but then you start keeping records, texts, emails, or journal entries. The next time they try to rewrite history, you calmly reply, "Actually, you did say that. I have it right here." Suddenly, their confidence wavers. They might lash out, call you crazy, or storm off, but deep down, they know they have lost control. Their fear isn't just about being exposed. It is the terrifying realization that they can no longer manipulate you as easily as before. When collecting evidence, one critical rule is to never let the narcissist know you are recording them. If you choose to show them proof, stick to written records like texts, emails, or journal entries. And if you go the journal route, make sure it is filled with a variety of notes, grocery lists, reminders, thoughts, so it looks like part of your routine. You might even say, "I like writing things down to stay organized," framing it as a personal habit rather than a strategy to expose them. Another tactic narcissists rely on is love bombing. At the beginning of a relationship, they flood you with affection, compliments, and gifts. "You are the best thing that has ever happened to me," they say. But soon after, they start devaluing you. The trick is to recognize the over-the-top adoration for what it is, manipulation. If you respond with, "You barely know me, why are you saying I'm perfect?" They might stumble, laugh awkwardly, or go quiet, but inside they are rattled. The spell didn't work. You didn't fall for it. Then there is the triangulation. Picture a narcissistic boss who says, "My other employees think you are difficult to work with," hoping to undermine your confidence and pit you against others. Instead of reacting emotionally, you ask, "Who exactly said that?" And just like that, they are backed into a corner. If they lie, they risk being caught. If they retreat, they lose credibility. Either way, their attempt at manipulation fizzles out. Here is the bottom line. Narcissists fear losing control more than anything. When you stop responding with fear, when you expose their tactics and stay calm, they realize they know they are no longer in charge. They may lash out, retreat, or try a new approach, but the moment you stop playing their game, their fear shifts on to them. And for a narcissist, nothing is more terrifying than losing their grip on someone they once controlled. Thank you so much for being here. If you are learning something and want to support more content like this, please hit subscribe. It helps more than you know. I've also written a book for people dealing with mind games and manipulation. It's called Psychological Warfare, the Ultimate Guide to Outsmarting Manipulators, your crash course in fighting dirty and winning clean. This isn't just about understanding narcissists. It's about outsmarting, outmaneuvering, and outlasting them when it matters most. Don't just take my word for it. You can read the first chapter for free. Most people freeze when they are trapped. Therapists can guide you, but they can't be your sword. You have to sharpen your own mind, and you can. If you're ready to stop surviving and start winning, grab your copy today. The link is in my bio and in description of this video. Sharpen your mind on your life. Catch you in the next video.